brother, what a nightmare. What up? It's Vitela, home tech expert, back in Anaheim Hills, California, here to help out this wonderful family, get them modernized and get them updated by ripping out and taking out all this old school equipment and the spider webs of cabling and simplifying their lives with a modern home tech expert 4K TV and Sonos audio system. Here inside of this built-in cabinet, we ripped out an older Sony 52-inch TV to upgrade it to a brand new Sony 55-inch OLED 4K breathtaking picture TV. And something that we're correcting is that we're installing a pull-out, swing-out type of TV mounting bracket in order to be able to get behind the TV for servicing, and if they want, they could angle out the TV and have it point towards the kitchen to be able to watch TV. Here you could also see that we're installing a Sonos soundbar speaker with voice control right underneath the TV and getting it just perfectly installed where there's zero gap between the top of the soundbar and the bottom of the TV, where it shows it absolutely custom done without any wires showing. I mean, look at how flat that is. Wow, it comes out absolutely beautiful. And look at the difference inside of the closet. Look at all that space, right? In a modern home tech expert system, it's made for streaming audio and streaming TV and streaming video. So it's very simple. We keep it simplified using an Apple TV 4K to be able to watch their DirecTV stream, to be able to watch their Netflix, their Prime Video, Hulu, Disney Plus, whatever they want to do. And of course, they can listen to Apple Music or Spotify, not only in the family room, but also in the backyard with this Sonos wireless portable speaker. If you want to get something done like this professionally in your home, go to my website, hometechexpert.com.